What is Scrum project management?
Scrum is an agile project management framework designed for fast-paced teams. It breaks work into short cycles called sprints and focuses on adaptability, frequent feedback, and teamwork. Scrum helps teams deliver valuable products quickly, while allowing for changes and continuous improvement throughout the project.
Key roles in Scrum.
3 main roles drive every Scrum project. The product owner defines and prioritizes features. The Scrum Master guides the team and removes obstacles. And the development team builds the product. These roles work closely together to ensure clarity, accountability, and smooth progress during each project sprint.
Starting a Scrum project.
Every Scrum project starts with a product backlog, a prioritized list of features, tasks, and fixes created by the product owner. At the sprint planning meeting, the team selects a set of tasks from the backlog to complete during the next sprint, setting clear goals for the cycle ahead.
Executing the sprint.
It typically lasts 2 to 4 weeks. Each day, the team holds a brief daily scrum to discuss progress and solve issues together. The development team works collaboratively, and the Scrum Master supports them by handling any problems that might slow them down.
Reviewing and improving.
At the end of every sprint, the team holds a sprint review to demonstrate their work to stakeholders and collect feedback. Then, at the sprint retrospective, the team reflects on what went well, what could improve, and how to make the next sprint even better, fostering a culture of continuous growth.
Scrum in action, continuous delivery.
Enables fast-moving teams to release high-quality products rapidly and adapt to changes along the way. Through clear roles, regular planning, and frequent reviews, Scrum teams can respond quickly to new information, making project management more flexible and effective for dynamic environments.